If you've never tried real Jamaican jerk chicken and roast fish, this is your sign. Today we're cooking it outdoors, island style, Jamaican style. Full flavor, full vibes. Let's go. Yeah man, so right now today we have some jerk fish, we have some jerk chicken, rice and peas and a whole bunch of other things are going. So we'll light up the grill a little bit, you see it? Put a little kerosene oil on it. Yeah. Yeah man, and then we'll light it up. Move. That one done a light. Alright, so the paper light. See it there? Light up the fire. Yeah man. You see that? When this catch on, we'll just put on the little grill lamp on top of it and make it burn out a little bit. You see it?
That's the black smoke.
Yeah.
When it start burning clean, you know. So
Exactly. More fire like you put on, you know? Yeah man, so since we're at Jamaica, we have all of the supplies and all of the ingredients them. So we're gonna add some pimento leaves in the jerk pan same way, you see? So when the fire kinda cool down, we'll drop it in and then put on the grill and drop the chicken pan top. But in the meantime we're gonna season the chicken same way and go on easy. Yeah. Set this aside. Get this out of the way for now. Put it right there, so. Alright, I'll clean the chicken a little bit. As you can see, we have some onion and seasoning, you know, pepper. Ooh. Cut the chicken open a little bit. See, we'll remove all of them something here. Yeah man. We are cut the chicken right about now. Yeah. Do some nice little cut spanny. And we're gonna put the seasoning in the groove as it. Yeah man. Put that in here so. Clean out the chicken nice and proper. And then we're gonna wash it off with some water. Yeah. Wash it off a little bit. Alright, so now we'll cut up the seasoning there man and drop it right on it same way. Alright, so cut up with onion. Drop it on the chicken same way. Yeah man, we have a scotch bonnet pepper them. We'll wash them off too. And we have a garlic. Just like that. Remove the outer shell, you know. The skin or whatever you want to call it. Mince it up. And drop it on the chicken same way. Alright, so I'm going to rinse out my pepper them real quick. I have some jerk seasoning right there, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of the marinade to it. You might be wondering, isn't it gonna be too spicy? But no, it can never be too spicy, man. So I'll add some easy spice chicken seasoning to the mix. And some easy spice all-purpose seasoning. Mix it up. I will go add a little cooking oil to it same way, and this is gonna allow the seasoning to soak right in the chicken, and it's gonna also prevent it from sticking on the grill. Yeah. And then we're gonna let this marinate for about an hour. Yeah, man. So put on the pimento leaf them same way. Yeah. Drop the chicken from the top. Oh my god. Woo. You smell that already? Chicken smell nice. Come on. And we have some fish where we have seasoned up or we have marinated for the past 2 days, you know, some sliced fish. Yeah, so we'll put that in the mix and we'll put that on the side. Yeah, man. Oh my god. I tell her the chicken it go wicked. Chicken bad, man. And once you have a nice color on it, we just flip it over. Chicken them not ready to flip it, you know? So you have a nice char color to it. Yeah. So we go on roast and slow cook. You see all of the pepper and the garlic and everything inside the little cuts, them little pockets. Yeah, man, that will make sure that the chicken well seasoned, nice and proper. Yeah. Yeah, man, so just add some butter to the foil paper. Rub it up like that. Drop the fish on top, same way. Yeah, man, this side fish I tell about 2 days now I marinated, you know. Yeah, man. So we're having fish today, roast fish with some jerk chicken. And what else? Some rice and peas. Yeah, with some veg on the side. You know? Just like that. Keeping it simple. Put little. No, I'm gonna use this. Yeah, you know what? I add some little jerk paste to it. Not much. Because I don't want it too spicy. You see it? Just a little bit. Yeah. Drop it up. Then we're going to drop it on the grill. Let them slow roast. Yeah, man, slow cook same way. Get them on the grill right now. Give the chicken a nice little flip here now. Look like they want to flip. Yeah. Ready to flip over. See there? What's his style? See, pimento leaf, it adds some nice flavor to it same way, you know, you see? Yeah, man. You can't manage the heat, not true? You can't manage the smoke. Oh my god. Yeah. Smell good. Add some red stripe to it, you know. Yeah, man. Not do too much. Yeah, keep it nice and moist, you know? Yeah, man. Just like that. Yeah, man, so we have some Walker's Wood hot and spicy jerk sauce. Drop a little bit on the same way again, just to finish it off, you know. Jerk chicken ready. Yeah, man. Sprinkle a little more of the red stripe, you know. Red stripe, the real way. See it there? Yeah, man. Don't get better than that, you know. You can't jerk without the red stripe. Yeah. Yes. So as you can see, guys, the chicken is looking juicy, spicy, flavorful. You know, the rice and peas shelly, and we have some steamed veg on the side. Yeah, man. If you enjoyed watching this video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.